great sport. Are you hiding any apples, Parker? They're looking to see who looks sketch. This is like the airport. We're leaving the Redwoods. Bye. Here's the last one we'll see. No, I'm just kidding.
That's you. Extra bean sprouts.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Ooh wee.
I'll make a mess.
Parker's being such a trooper. You're doing so good. You're doing so great. Only like 9 hours to go. We made it. On our pit stop for the night. It's been a very long day.
A lot of driving.
A lot of driving, but we've made it to Redding and we have a hotel and we're going to our hotel and going to sleep and then driving 5 more hours to Yosemite tomorrow. You excited?
I'm very excited.
Very fun.
I'm ready to go to sleep tonight though.
Yeah. Good night.
It comes with gravy too.
To be doing your
Driving this for 24 hours.
Scary. This is scary. We're heading to Yosemite. We're like an hour and a half away. Woohoo. There he is. Oh god, he's trying to kill me.
That's the road.
The view from our balcony. Hi, Parker. So real, so nice to We are doing the Upper Yosemite Falls Trail. I think it's like 7.7 miles
All the way, yeah.
all the way. So we just started. We're at like half a mile right now, and right now it's already starting to like incline. But yeah, hopefully we'll be able to finish.
We're gonna.
We're a little out of shape. Say hi, Parker.
Hi.
Here.
No. Walk a little further, like, dang.
good merch. We're trying to drive everywhere, but nothing's letting us drive. These roads are fake roads.
Fake town, fake roads.
Fake town, fake roads. So
Hippies.
we are very exhausted after our hike. Our hike was 7 miles.
The town
We
run.
are beat. I just took a nap in the car. We can't check in until 5 o'clock. It is 4:17.
I need a shower.
We're stinky. We're stinky hippies.
Squirrel.
All right. See you later. Wow. 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 Wow.
No.
We are walking to the chapel. We've had such a long day. Parker took a nap. I took a nap. We have recouped and we are ready for more walks. We're gonna go on the swinging bridge and then go over to the chapel and then head back for dinner.
I don't think we're going the right way.
My ears look so funny.
I honestly don't.
Yeah, we're going right. Look at this tree that fell over.
Bit by mosquitoes. Got bit right on the neck. You see it? All right, yeah.
Bye, Yosemite.
Bye, Yosemite. We'll be back.
We had so much fun. Now we're in a tunnel. Tunnel. Almost there. It is. That's San Francisco.
Just driving.
Where are the seals?
Pop their heads over there.
Oh my gosh. That's so cool.
Oh, this is nuts. Look at this.
On our way to dinner. We just made it to San Francisco. It's our last day. We're headed to a bakery.
AA bakery.
AA bakery. First impression, really good. Look at that. We're leaving San Fran. Say goodbye to our room. Hit it. I love you.
Hi.
Hi.